Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to always display the scroll bars in the Windows 10 settings page. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to go and start by opening up the Start menu. Select the gear icon on the left side where you hover over it, should say Settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Select the Ease of Access tile. Select the Display option. You want to scroll down underneath Simplify and Personalize Windows. And where it says Automatically Hide Scroll Bars in Windows, you want to toggle this to the off position. And now you'll see that the scroll bars will become visible. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.